Timmy was a curious young boy who had a passion for cooking. One day, he found an old family recipe for a mysterious dish called Cook's Delight. Intrigued, he decided to give it a try. What could this Cook's Delight be? Timmy wondered, his eyes sparkling with excitement. He gathered the ingredients listed: eggs, butter, flour, milk, and a secret ingredient, vanilla. Timmy cracked open the eggs, separating the whites from the yolks. With a careful hand, he beat the egg whites until they formed soft peaks. Smiling, he added the yolks to a separate bowl, whisking them gently. Next, he melted the butter and mixed it with the flour to create a smooth roux. He poured in the milk, stirring continuously until it thickened into a creamy sauce. Then, Timmy added the egg yolks to the sauce, carefully folding them in. The secret ingredient, vanilla, was the final touch. He stirred it in, watching as the aroma filled the kitchen. Timmy poured the sauce over the beaten egg whites, creating a fluffy cloud. He gently folded them together, taking care not to deflate the egg whites. Finally, he poured the mixture into a baking dish and baked it in the oven. The house filled with a delightful aroma. When it was golden brown, Timmy pulled it out, his heart pounding with anticipation. He let it cool for a moment before slicing into it. To his amazement, he had created a delicious dessert, a classic crème brûlée. "I can't believe I made crème brûlée," Timmy exclaimed, his eyes wide with delight. He learned that day that with patience, precision, and a little curiosity, he could create amazing dishes. From that day on, Timmy's love for cooking grew. He continued to explore new recipes, always eager to learn and create. And every time he cracked open an egg or measured out flour, he was reminded of the day he discovered the secret of Cook's Delight. Through his culinary adventures, Timmy learned not just how to cook, but also the joy of discovery, the importance of patience, and the satisfaction of creating something truly delicious. And as he stood in his kitchen, spatula in hand, he knew he was not just cooking, he was creating magic.